Hey, it's Jay Will back with another video. I want to shoot this quick video before I head to the gym. I put out a video yesterday showing you guys how to set up a campaign. Now I'm going to show you guys the campaign I set up last night and the results I have for today. Okay, here we go, the ad we made yesterday. If you didn't see the video, go back and look at the video I put out last night actually. I'm going to log into ClickBank. And today, as you can see, I made a sale. Revisions. That's the campaign we set up yesterday. Now we're gonna head over to ClickMagick. As you can see, revision, one sale. Let's see what these guys typed in to get the sale. Typed in revision plus time 3 off a computer. Now let's head over to Microsoft. I received 11 clicks today, 724 impressions, $4 per click. I spent $44.62. I made, where's the price? 104. So we go to our calculator. You take 104 minus what it was, 44 I spent today. 44, yep. 44. We are $60 in profit right now. And I still have to monetize and, really go through and delete some keywords, add keywords. But so far, just from last night, you can see we made $60. So now you guys see I'm not hiding anything, no special tricks. I showed you guys how to set the campaign up with Microsoft Bing ads, direct linking, no website needed. I'm going to leave the ClickMagick tracking tool in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.